Where is the train station? Where is the train station?
2 blocks down. Turn left. 2 blocks down. Turn left.
How do I get there? How do I get there?
Walk straight. 5 minutes. Walk straight. 5 minutes.
Is the station far? Is the station far?
No, very close. No, very close.
Which way to the station? Which way to the station?
Go down. Turn right. Go down. Turn right.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Sure. Follow me. Sure. Follow me.
Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket?
At the counter there. At the counter there.
How much is a ticket? How much is a ticket?
$5. $5.
Do I need a ticket now? Do I need a ticket now?
Yes, before you go on. Yes, before you go on.
Where is the ticket machine? Where is the ticket machine?
Next to the waiting area. Next to the waiting area.
Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash?
Yes, cash or card. Yes, cash or card.
What time is the next train? What time is the next train?
3:30. 3:30.
Is the train on time? Is the train on time?
Yes, on time. Yes, on time.
How often do trains come? How often do trains come?
Every 20 minutes. Every 20 minutes.
What time is the last train? What time is the last train?
11 p.m. 11 p.m.
Is there a delay? Is there a delay?
Yes, 10 minutes late. Yes, 10 minutes late.
Which platform for the city? Which platform for the city?
Platform 3. Platform 3.
Where is platform 2? Where is platform 2?
Down the stairs. Turn left. Down the stairs. Turn left.
How do I get to platform 5? How do I get to platform 5?
Take the elevator up. Take the elevator up.
Is this the right platform? Is this the right platform?
Yes, this is right. Yes, this is right.
Where should I wait? Where should I wait?
Behind the yellow line. Behind the yellow line.
Does this go to the airport? Does this go to the airport?
No, take the blue line. No, take the blue line.
Which train goes to Main Street? Which train goes to Main Street?
The red line train. The red line train.
Is this train going north? Is this train going north?
Yes, going north. Yes, going north.
Does this stop at City Hall? Does this stop at City Hall?
Yes, third stop. Yes, third stop.
How many stops to downtown? How many stops to downtown?
7 stops. 7 stops.
How long is the trip? How long is the trip?
30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Do I change trains? Do I change trains?
No, direct train. No, direct train.
Where do I change? Where do I change?
At Central Station. At Central Station.
Is there a bathroom? Is there a bathroom?
Yes, near the entrance. Yes, near the entrance.
Where can I get coffee? Where can I get coffee?
Coffee shop upstairs. Coffee shop upstairs.
Can I bring my bag? Can I bring my bag?
Yes, small bag's okay. Yes, small bag's okay.
Is there food on the train? Is there food on the train?
No, buy snacks here. No, buy snacks here.
Where is lost and found? Where is lost and found?
At the information desk. At the information desk.
Can you help with this map? Can you help with this map?
Sure. Where do you go? Sure. Where do you go?
Is the station open all night? Is the station open all night?
No, closes at midnight. No, closes at midnight.
Where is the exit? Where is the exit?
Behind you. Behind you.
Which exit for the mall? Which exit for the mall?
North exit. North exit.
Can I use my phone here? Can I use my phone here?
Yes, free Wi-Fi. Yes, free Wi-Fi.
Is there parking? Is there parking?
Yes, across the street. Yes, across the street.
How much is parking? How much is parking?
$3 per hour. $3 per hour.
Where can I call a taxi? Where can I call a taxi?
Taxi stand outside. Taxi stand outside.
Is the elevator working? Is the elevator working?
Yes, working fine. Yes, working fine.
Where are the stairs? Where are the stairs?
Next to ticket office. Next to ticket office.
Can you speak slower? Can you speak slower?
Of course. Of course.
I don't understand. Help? I don't understand. Help?
Sure. What's wrong? Sure. What's wrong?
Someone speaks Spanish? Someone speaks Spanish?
Yes, Maria at window 2. Yes, Maria at window 2.
Can I get a schedule? Can I get a schedule?
Here's a free one. Here's a free one.
What does this sign mean? What does this sign mean?
No smoking. No smoking.
Is the train safe at night? Is the train safe at night?
Yes, guards are here. Yes, guards are here.
Are there seats? Are there seats?
Yes, but busy at rush hour. Yes, but busy at rush hour.
Can I eat on the train? Can I eat on the train?
Yes, eating is okay. Yes, eating is okay.
Where do I buy food? Where do I buy food?
Snack bar over there. Snack bar over there.
Is this train fast? Is this train fast?
Yes, very fast. Yes, very fast.
When does the station open? When does the station open?
6 a.m. every day. 6 a.m. every day.
Can I bring my bike? Can I bring my bike?
No bikes on trains. No bikes on trains.
Where is the information desk? Where is the information desk?
Right there, with the sign. Right there, with the sign.
Do trains run on Sunday? Do trains run on Sunday?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
Is there a map here? Is there a map here?
Yes, on the wall. Yes, on the wall.
Can I get help in English? Can I get help in English?
Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English.
Where do I wait for my friend? Where do I wait for my friend?
At the main entrance. At the main entrance.
Is there a place to sit? Is there a place to sit?
Yes, benches over there. Yes, benches over there.
Can I charge my phone? Can I charge my phone?
Yes, outlets by the wall. Yes, outlets by the wall.
Where is the ticket office? Where is the ticket office?
Next to platform 1. Next to platform 1.
Do I need ID for tickets? Do I need ID for tickets?
No, just money. No, just money.
Can children ride alone? Can children ride alone?
Yes, if over 12. Yes, if over 12.
Is there a doctor here? Is there a doctor here?
Call security if you need help. Call security if you need help.
Where can I get water? Where can I get water?
Water fountain near bathroom. Water fountain near bathroom.
Is this the right train? Is this the right train?
Show me your ticket. Show me your ticket.
Can I return my ticket? Can I return my ticket?
Yes, before the train leaves. Yes, before the train leaves.
Where is customer service? Where is customer service?
At the main desk. At the main desk.
Is there Wi-Fi on the train? Is there Wi-Fi on the train?
No, only in the station. No, only in the station.
Can I bring my dog? Can I bring my dog?
Small dogs and carriers only. Small dogs and carriers only.
What time do you close? What time do you close?
We close at midnight. We close at midnight.